Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. So have you ever been liquidated while trading crypto futures because the market suddenly moved against your position? Today we are looking at LiquidationProof, an automated risk management system designed to help reduce liquidation risk on Binance Future. It's important to note that this is not a trading platform and not an investment platform. Instead, it's a tool that will manage your existing futures position automatically. First, we have to introduce their website. Welcome back. In this video, I will explain how LiquidationProof works, how it's designed for, and why it offers a different approach to managing future risk. Before we begin, this video is for educational purpose only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before trading cryptocurrencies or using any third-party tool. So, what is LiquidationProof? LiquidationProof is an automated risk management system built specifically for Binance International Futures. One of the biggest misconceptions is thinking it's a trading exchange or a place where you deposit your money. That's not how it works. Your funds always remain inside your own Binance account. LiquidationProof never takes custody of your assets and isn't used to hold deposits. Instead, it connects to a dedicated Binance sub-account that you control and automatically manages eligible future positions. Here you can see that how it works. Here is the basic process. First, create a Binance sub-account. Next, transfer the amount you want to use for future trading into that sub-account. Then surely connect the sub-account to LiquidationProof. From there, the system automatically manages your eligible open future position. The goal is to respond when the market moves against your trade by applying automated risk management strategies designed to reduce the chance of liquidation. Here you can check it out, all the stuff. The key thing to understand is that your assets never leave Binance. LiquidationProof simply help manage position through automation. So let's move to their important feature. There are several important things you should know: that this is not an automated trading board that promises profit, it is not a copy trading platform, it is not an exchange, and it is not a wallet. Instead, it's focused on one purpose: helping traders manage risk more effectively while their funds remain inside Binance. Currently, the system supports Binance.com International Futures, BTC and USDT futures, ETH USDT futures. At this time, it doesn't support Binance, US or future trading for other cryptocurrency pairs. Here you can check it out, the different features right here like time market data, automation risk management system, partial position selling, automatic position scaling, Telegram notification, encrypted API key storage, stop loss and take profit, full trade history. It's also important to set realistic expectations. LiquidationProof doesn't guarantee profit. It doesn't eliminate trading risk. You can still lose money when trading futures. The purpose of the system is to mitigate losses and reduce the likelihood of complete liquidation by automatically managing eligible position when market conditions become unfavorable. Every market situation is different and no risk management solution can guarantee a positive outcomes. Now I'm telling you that who is it for. If you are an active Binance International Future trader focusing on BTC, USDT or ETH and you are looking for an automated way to manage liquidation risk while keeping full control of your funds, LiquidationProof may be worth exploring. Because your assets stay inside your own business account, you continue to maintain custody while using automated position management. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is an outstanding platform. You can also get it started up and running in under 10 minutes. No complex setup, no download, run in your browser. Just connect, figure and trade and enjoy their features. You can also create your account right here. You can also contact them through their email. Simply write your name, write your email address, write subject and your message which you want to write and submit. And here you can check it out, there further more details. So that's an overview of LiquidationProof and how it works. If you would like to learn more about its features, setup process, and supported functionality, be sure to visit the official website and review the documentation before getting started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.